Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Tesla's market cap soars past $1 trillion, outpacing the next 10 biggest auto stocks combined, while it begins leasing Cybertrucks at $999 a month. Meanwhile, Prospect Capital takes a hit after slashing its distribution despite Q1 earnings beating expectations. Costco reaches an all-time high with potential for further gains, and Enphase Energy announces a 17% workforce reduction with up to $20 million in charges. ASML faces scrutiny from lawmakers over its China dealings as Archer Aviation rallies on eVTOL leadership prospects. Fluor sees a sharp decline following a significant Q3 miss and plans to deconsolidate NewScale, whereas Lucid Group surges after surpassing earnings expectations and unveiling plans for an affordable vehicle model. Stay tuned after the short ad break to dive deeper into these stories. Tesla's market value surged past $1 trillion again, rising 6.7% on Friday. It now surpasses the combined valuation of the next 10 largest auto companies, including Toyota and Ford. Analysts predict Tesla's growth in deliveries and autonomous technology will drive further stock appreciation, bolstered by favorable U.S. election outcomes.
Tesla is offering a lease for the Cybertruck. You can start at $999 per month with a $7,500 down payment for 3 years. Alternatively, lease it for 2 years without a down payment at about $1,600 monthly. The Cybertruck is Tesla's third highest selling model.
Prospect Capital stock fell 6.8% after reducing shareholder distributions by 25%, shifting focus to first-lien senior secured loans. Despite this, fiscal first quarter earnings exceeded expectations. Monthly distributions are now 4.5 cents per share, down from 6 cents in October. Net asset value dropped to $8.10 per share. A conference call is scheduled for 9 a.m. Eastern Time today.
Costco Wholesale Corporation surged 3.8% to a record high of $962, outperforming Walmart and Target amid election concerns. October sales rose 7.2%, with membership card scanners boosting growth potential. Analysts suggest Costco could gain 4 million new members, similar to Netflix's strategy on password sharing, possibly prompting a stock split soon.
Enphase Energy is reducing its global workforce by 17%, affecting about 500 employees and contractors, with restructuring costs between $17 and $20 million. The company will concentrate manufacturing in the U.S., India, and China, ending operations in Mexico. This decision is intended to cut expenses due to slower revenue growth from economic factors.
Lawmakers from the House Select Committee on the Chinese Communist Party have sent letters to major semiconductor equipment firms. These include ASML Holding, KLA Corporation, Applied Materials, Lam Research, and Tokyo Electron. They express concerns about these companies potentially aiding China's military advancements and domestic chip production.
Archer Aviation stock jumped 8.9% following news of progress in the FAA certification process for their electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The company is close to finishing Phase 3 and moving through Phase 4, with plans to begin production in early 2025. Short interest is still high at 18.5%.
Fluor Corporation shares fell by 13.5% after disappointing third-quarter results. Adjusted earnings were below expectations, and the company reduced its full-year guidance due to project delays and lower contributions from the energy sector. Net income dropped significantly, and revenues missed forecasts for the fourth consecutive quarter. Fluor also plans to deconsolidate NewScale Power, expecting a $1.6 billion gain in the fourth quarter.
Lucid Group stock increased after a 45% revenue boost in Q3, reaching $200.4 million, with reduced losses. The company produced 1,805 vehicles and delivered 2,781 during the quarter, targeting an annual output of 9,000. Lucid is improving factory efficiency by moving manufacturing on-site. CEO Peter Rawlinson noted a $1.75 billion capital raise that extends financial stability into 2026. While maintaining its production outlook, Lucid lowered its capital expenditure target for 2024 to $1 billion from $1.3 billion and plans to launch a cheaper vehicle by late 2026. Bank of America kept a neutral rating due to demand risks and the potential need for more capital beyond the recent raise. Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Join us next time for more insights that matter to your business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.